Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to do this makeup look. So I got inspired by Alia Bhatt's makeup for Zee Cine Awards. And I think this is the perfect spring summer look because it's got the corals and the pinks and the look is very fresh. So Tejaswini, Sakshi, TR, Richa, here's your video. So I'm taking my Maybelline Master Prime and I'm gonna apply it all over my face with my fingers. So I'm applying it on my forehead, nose, cheeks and chin. This primer is a hydrating primer so it does not dry out the skin. Next, I'm gonna mix these two foundations and applying it all over my face with the help of my Real Techniques sponge. So the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation is a matte foundation and it gives a lot of coverage. And the MAC Face and Body Foundation is dewy foundation and it's got sheer coverage. So I love mixing the MAC Face and Body with any foundation because it gives a beautiful glow. Next, I'm applying the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. This is an amazing concealer and does a great job in hiding the dark circles because the salmon shade in it cancels out any darkness. So I'm applying it in my under eye area and then blending it out with my Real Techniques sponge. Next, I'm using this Maybelline Instant Age Refined Concealer. So this will act as a highlighter for my under eye area and also because I thought I needed a little bit more coverage there. And then I'm also blending it out with my Real Techniques sponge. I love this concealer because it not only hides my dark circles, but it also blends out super easily. Next, I'm applying this Bharat and Dorris loose powder. A lot of you asked me about the shade number. The shade number is 7 and I'm applying it generously under my eyes with the help of my Body Shop face and body brush, and then I'm gonna let it sit for a couple of minutes and then not taking any extra product, whatever is left on the brush. I'm just applying it all over my face to set my base. Next, I'm taking Maybelline the Nudes palette and using this dark brown shade. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I'm using my Color Bar flat eyeshadow brush to do my brows. This one is a stiff brush and I find it so easy to do my eyebrows with it. So I'm just following my natural eyebrow shape and just filling in my brows. Next, taking this Maybelline Dream Touch blush in the shade number 7. I'm gonna apply it as a base on my eyelids. If you want, you can skip this step. Next, taking my Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 palette and I'm gonna use this mauvey brick shade and I'm gonna use my Oriflame blending brush. This one has a beautiful sheen to it and I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelids. And then I'm gonna take this beautiful coral matte shade and I'm gonna apply it on top of the other eyeshadow all over my lids. So when I mixed these two shades, I got the perfect shade that Alia was wearing. And now I'm removing all the excess powder from my under eye area. And then I'm applying the same shades on my lower lash line. Then taking the Smashbox eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna apply this beautiful rose gold shade in the inner third area of my eyes. And then I wanted that area to be a little bit more highlighted. So I'm also applying the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. And also applying it in the inner corners of my eyes. Now taking my Studio West blending brush, I'm gonna apply the same highlighter on my brow bone area. Now without taking any extra product, I'm just blending below the brow bone area so that there are no harsh lines. And I'm also ever so lightly going over my lower lash line. Then taking my Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade Deep Black, I'm gonna tight line my eyes and then curl my lashes. Pretty sure I was listening to some music here. And for mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This one is an amazing mascara and I love it. And I'm also applying it on my lower lashes. Next, taking this bronzer from the Body Shop, I'm going to bronze my face. So I'm going to bronze the hollows of my cheeks and the jawline. Next, taking this blush shade from Maybelline Master Contour Palette, I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. So I wanted my blush to be a little bit more pigmented, so I also applied this Maybelline Color Show blush in the shade Fresh Coral. But taking the highlight shade from Maybelline the Master Contour Palette, I'm highlighting all the high points of my face. And all the products I'm using today in this video are listed in the description box below along with the shade names. And then I wanted my face to be a little bit more highlighted, so I'm applying the Pro Illuminate on top of it. And then I'm mixing a bunch of different lip shades because I did not have the exact shade that Alia was wearing, so I had to mix a couple of lip shades to get the exact shade that she was wearing. And then I did not have a clear gloss, so I'm using my good old Vaseline. And this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please like, share, comment and subscribe. Also click on the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload any new video. And we have reached 5K. Thank you so much. I'm grateful to each and every subscriber. I love you guys and can't wait to reach 10K. Take care you guys. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.